A lift at Canary Wharf, platform 1 I think, or I mean platform 2. We might get the Elizabeth line, but if I see another lift at the Elizabeth line in Canary Wharf, I'll film it for you. If I have enough memory or not. There should be. It's at Concourse. Oh, it's coming. Which floor are we going to?
Huh?
Which floor are we going to? Oh, down the bottom. Cool.
Lift going down.
Here is it. Go down to street level.
Doors closing. Doors closing.
Go down to 1. Door closed, push the button. I like that. It's a core lift too. Past the 8 persons, also it's 30 kilos. It's the
Concourse level.
concourse level. These doors.
Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
And there it goes. That's it.